Hello, my name is Allison. I would like to file a complaint about this cute product I received in the mail. Is that how I want to start this? Yes, it is. Okay, here we go. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today, what I really want to talk about is the new Tarte. Just keep the surprise back in its box. I think the disappointment that it is. I want to talk to you about the new Tarte Skin Gloss Illuminator. This right here. I recently ordered this off the Tarte website. I used PayPal, don't worry, so I don't get hacked. And $16. We're going to talk about the size. And I used a 15% off. There was free shipping, blah, blah, blah. I paid like $14 and some odd change for this. Anywho, let's talk about it. When I got this in the mail, I was genuinely floored and shocked for a multitude of different reasons. First one being, I'm going to compare this to a couple other skin gloss type things, one of which I have right here, which is the Kevyn Aucoin. And I've been debating on getting the bronze color. So I was like, this is gold, let me try this. And let me just bust into this subject. So I got this in the mail and I opened it and I saw the box and I was like, okay, whatever, she cute. Got the whole like probably rainforest themed little beads of water dripping off of it. And then I opened it and I saw this. Please, somebody tell me, when has Tarte ever done some sparkly, beautiful, amazing packaging like this? You wouldn't even know this was Tarte unless you read the fine circle print around the bottom, not just what's in the center, but what's around the outside. This out here. Because it says distributed by Tarte Inc. Otherwise it says Skin Gloss Illuminator. So, there's that. When has Tarte ever done something this bland? Like, to me, this is like a test subject, a test compact. If this ever actually meets Ulta or Sephora, you know the packaging is going to be different. It would have to be. Like, why is there no cute, cushy little top like that's on those jelly glitter box blah blah blahs? Why? What the fuck? What the literal fuck? So, I know I only paid $16 for that. It's not what my complaint is. It's just, when I order Tarte things, like, this is literally what you expect. Look how glittery this is. Look at the shade, by the way. But every ounce of this, I know that it's Tarte because of how fucking 14-year-old flashy it is. I can pull out other things that are the same exact way. Even the boring things are still fucking cute. You know what I'm saying? So, there's that. But when I opened this up, and there's a little stopper to keep your product in there, blah, blah, blah. I took the stopper off. Here's that. I mean, she's cute. We're going to do like a wear test. I'm going to compare this on one side to Kevyn Aucoin on the other. For the remainder of the video, I'm going to go ahead and leave that little stopper out. But here's what you get. Can you see the bottom of the jar already? I mean, because the product's moved around. But, and then I looked at the bottom. I was like, well, how much is in here? Net 3 milliliters / 0.1 fluid ounces. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? So I immediately pulled this out. My Kevyn Aucoin Glass Glow Face Illuminator Visage Eclat Intense in the shade Prism Rose. This is 30 mLs. This is 1 fluid ounce. This is 10 of these. The fuck? The fuck is Tarte thinking? I don't know how I feel. And if you break down the math, here's something I want to point out. So for this to be the amount of this, it would be $160 or 10 times the amount of $16. to get the same volume that you get here. On the other side of that, this being $32 for a fluid ounce would be $3.20. We can round up to $4 to include for packaging to make this. What do you think you should purchase? Just throwing that out there. I mean, LOL. Okay, so without further ado, let me do some swatches. Take the rubber bands off the back of my hand. So, this is the Tarte Skin Gloss Illuminator. She's cute. So I have makeup on, I have powder on, the whole 9 yards, so I'm going to apply this on both sides. One thing I did notice when I was playing with this, because I got a little sample size of the Found Sealer, the foundation concealer thing that Tarte sells. I put some of that on the back of my hand and then put this on top, and I could see the foundation concealer stuff starting to like kind of be milky underneath and lifting up. So I want to tap and kind of gently rub in and see what happens if it lifts the foundation. So here is the Kevyn Aucoin Skin Gloss, or Glass Glow, whatever. This one looks like fucking metal. And that's a lot. So you can see the difference in color, obviously, because one's champagne-y gold and one is not. One's pink. This one does have a little bit of like a darkness to it, so I kind of inlay it into the blush category. So they look very similar. They feel fucking similar as all get out. I'm just like beaming like a motherfucker. But one thing I did notice the other day when playing with it is if you were to tap this on, it almost kills the shine. Like, rubbing it on gives it more shine. This one, I don't seem to notice the difference with that. This one's got the same intensity, the Kevyn Aucoin, whether I tap it or rub it. But I definitely noticed a difference with the Tarte. Does that make sense? Like when I wipe it away, I know you probably won't be able to see this, but this side of my hand where the Tarte was, there are specks of glitter all over my hand, versus the Kevyn Aucoin, there isn't. And I've used it several times before to where I'm aware that there's not like glitteriness inside of this. Without further ado, let's do this. Get it? LOL. Okay, so I'm just going to go off of the lid. I'm going to use my middle finger. I'm going to grab a mirror because I'm not that talented to just use the viewfinder. And come on in. Okay, so let's see if you can actually see. I mean, she's cute. We cannot deny her cuteness factor at all. But like I can just see the product itself. Like, it's a gloss, it's beautiful, but there is glitter and shimmer just finely all over the face. I feel like if this was just more of a, I don't know. I feel like if this was just, I don't know what I'm trying to say. It's just like there's not enough balance of pigment with the material itself. Hell, what's it called? The gloss. Like, there's not enough pigment and gloss ratio. It's like a little too spread out to where you can kind of see the particles for my liking. I'm very like obnoxiously crazy when it comes to how much glitter and glow is actually on my face. I've tried that Fenty Diamond Balm. No ma'am. Not in this household. I mean, God bless Rihanna and everything she do, but no. So, same hand because I'm super fucking left-handed. I'm just gonna put like this much. I feel like that much is like already way too much. And we're gonna zoom in. See what I mean by dark? I mean, do you see that? It really just melts into the skin. Melts into the skin. Melts into the skin. So good. Here's the zoomed out version. Let's see, hold on. I just love the Kevin Aquan version. I mean, Tarte, Kevin Aquan. Tarte, Kevin Aquan. Tarte, Kevin Aquan. Tarte, Kevin. The main thing I just genuinely want to continue to complain about is what the fuck is this like tester ass packaging looking like some Bobby Brown, like unnamed, like I just got a sample in a glass jar, it might be drugs, I don't know, for $16 compared to this for 32 bucks. Holy motherfucker. I can go on, obviously, and I mean, depending on how many minutes left we have of this video, I am gonna continue to go on. So, anywho, let me put some foundation on my hand real quick and then we'll kind of see what it looks like smeared out. Okay, so I put foundation on the back of my hand. I used the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation because I like it so much. It's so fucking delightful. I'm gonna start with the Tarte. And you know, just to throw another little wrench into the mix, I pulled out a beauty blender and I left it dry just for the sheer fact that I'm fucking lazy. So, if we can focus, fingers crossed we fucking can, I'm just going to be nosy and make this not blurry. See, that just doesn't really shine. You've got to rub it in for it to see. See, like you can even tell. It's like that's shiny now. Okay, anywho. Are we going to remove foundation though? That's the question. Oh, yeah, you see? Okay. I know you won't be able to see this, but like this is no foundation over here. No, this is foundation over here. It's a nice matte foundation. And then over here, there's that shine. But like on the back of my finger, I have foundation. I don't know if you can tell because it's like my skin tone on my fucking finger. Anywho, there's foundation there. There's no foundation there. Okay, that's that. I proved nothing to myself. I think I just really wanted to play with it. In the entire time of doing this video, I'm sure I've wasted like a full milliliter of product. Screw you, Tarte. I'm still fucking mad. You know, I could go on and on and on and compare this to like liquid highlighters and cream highlighters that I have, but these are truly like skin gloss BS things that I wanted to kind of look at. This really kind of annoys me in the way that I feel like Tarte was just like, here, I want to like join the skin gloss lifestyle and be like dewy and Glossier looking. Glossier doesn't even make a skin gloss, do they? I don't think so. But I don't think this is a contender. I think it's a terrible idea. It's a poorly executed product, to say the least. I think they should go back to the drawing board and maybe do something in like a little lip balm squeezy tube instead of something like this. I feel like this was a real big letdown. And for the price, even though you're only paying $16 and they have fucking sales all the damn time, you're not getting your money's worth. You might as well just buy something like this. It's literally gonna perform the exact same way. It's, look at it, it's the exact same way. If you like the color, if you like Tarte, fine, do what you want with your own time. But realistically, I think there's other things out there that you need to better spend your money on. This is a fucking waste of money. As cheap as it was, I'm still mad about it. I'm probably going to stay mad for some awkward amount of time. So yeah, that's I just need to get that out of my system. I needed to rant about it. I needed to, you know, sit alone and kind of complain and cry about it, and tears are coming. They're coming. But yeah, don't buy this skin gloss. Save your money and buy the Kevyn Aucoin. I mean, it's gonna go 10 times much further, and whatever. It's in a glass jar. I really don't care. It doesn't make a damn difference at all. I need to stop complaining. I feel so good though. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, I appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up while you're here. I appreciate it. I think it's fun to look at. And I'll see you in my next video, alright? Bye!